Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Blair. I'm very happy to have y'all here. So today's video is going to be our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. So as always, before we do get started, do have to remind y'all, if you have not already, please make sure to subscribe. Once you do subscribe, go ahead and make sure to hit the little bell button down below so you are notified every time I upload, which for the time being will be every Monday and Thursday. If you do like this video, go ahead and make sure to give it a thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. And as always, I will have all of my social media accounts linked in the description box down below. So if you want, go ahead and follow me. I do have Instagram and Snapchat, and I'd be more than happy to have y'all there with me. But now that we got all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So as soon as we open the box, we do have the little Boxycharm pamphlet, list off all the products, has some coupons. I think this month there's 10% off of It Cosmetics. So the theme for this month's box was Alter Ego. And the first thing in the box was the Midnight Masquerade face palette from Pure Cosmetics that they collaborated with Boxycharm on. There are 4 face colors. This looks like a highlighter, a bronzer topper, and 2 blush colors. Probably use this more so on the eye than we will on the face. It's a little dark. For shadows, we have 1 matte and then 5 shimmer shades. So let's go ahead and see what we can come up with. So this is our finished eye look that we created with the Pure Cosmetics palette. It does retail for $38. Now our eyes are looking a little naked without some mascara. So we have the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Voluminizing Mascara. So let's go ahead and test this out. And it does retail for $24. So that's the mascara with 2 layers. I did go ahead and apply 2 just to give it a good opportunity to let me know how I like it. Y'all know I typically wear falsies, so would I wear this mascara by itself? No. However, I do like the way it looks on my bottom lashes. I do feel like they look a lot thicker and they stand out a little bit more than they normally would, so I do like that about it. We are going to go back into the Pure Cosmetics palette and play with the face shades a little bit. I'm going to take this peachy coral color here and we're going to use that as a blush. That's really pretty. And then we're gonna go ahead and play with this highlighter shade here and just use that how we would use any other highlighter. That's beautiful. Like, oh, it's just, it applies so smooth and just looks wet. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the highlight shade on my brow bone as well. And we're gonna go in with the silver shade here and put that on our inner corner. So we can go ahead and put those 2 products aside. All in all, I do like the palette and the mascara. I'll definitely use again. The next product that I was actually really excited about is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lolita. So I really like the formula of the lipstick. It doesn't feel too drying. I really love the color. This is probably a signature color for me, so I'll definitely be using it again. Now, one of the next things that was in the box, we're gonna go ahead and use to take all of this off. It was the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And it retails for $22. So I know we just sat here and watched me go ahead and make this face, and now we're gonna go ahead and watch me take it all off. Doesn't have a scent. It definitely does look like a balm. Ooh, it's so smooth. So we're just gonna go ahead and get a little bit of this on our fingers, on the tips of our fingers. And get to taking the makeup off. So now that we successfully look crazy, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and then we'll be right back to test out our last product. So we're back. Now I will say I've never used a makeup removing balm before, but this one I love. My face still feels nice and smooth and hydrated. Normally I have to put 5 different moisturizers on my face after I wash my face, and I still feel nice and baby soft. So I like it. I feel like it definitely removed the makeup pretty well. So the final product in the box is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. There is 2 of them in the pack, and it does retail for $30. So y'all, I've watched a couple people do their unboxing and try this mask out, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I am a little nervous. So now that we look like we're gonna go rob a bank, we're gonna let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be back when it's time to peel this baby off. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes. I successfully cannot move my face. So let's go ahead and take this thing off. I'm rather nervous. Sweet Jesus. So looking at the lace on the parts that did come off, I do see my skin, like the dead skin that it peeled off, whiteheads. So I mean, all in all, it works. I don't necessarily think the lace does everything it's supposed to, considering I still have some stuff on my face. But you know, we tried. So guys, that was our October Boxycharm unboxing. I did go ahead and total up the price of the box itself for all the products, and it did come out to $134. All in all, $134 when you're only paying $21 a month for the subscription is awesome. Like, I can't urge y'all enough to try Boxycharm. If you're gonna try any subscription box out there as far as makeup is concerned, look into Boxycharm. It's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. You can't beat it. And 9 times out of 10, they're all really good products. I've kept all of the ones that I've gotten so far. So try it out, see if you like it. If you don't, you can always cancel it. But that brings us to the end of today's video. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see everybody next time. Bye guys.